Okay, so finding the midpoint of a line. So you are given 2 coordinate points, or maybe the line is drawn for you and you have to select each end of the line. Again, 2 coordinate points. And you need to find the coordinate point that's in the middle, the midpoint. Now what we're going to do, to find the middle, we're going to take the midpoint of the x values and the midpoint of the y values, an average of the x and an average of the y. This is the formula, loose formula that we use. And all it says is, we've got 2 coordinate points here. We've got 5 and 9, which is going to be my first coordinate point. So this is x1, and that's y1, because that's my first coordinate point. The second coordinate point given was -3, 11. Well, I'm going to call that the second, so that will be x2 and y2. So, to begin with, you might want to label up the coordinates, so you get used to which one's x1 and y1 and what have you. So you label up, you only need 2 coordinates, either end, you'll find the point in the middle. So, following this formula, we are saying that the midpoint is equal to x1, which I've said is 5, plus x2, which is -3, over 2. That is the x point. This comma here, boys, is just saying, well, this is the x part and this is the y part. We're going to find a coordinate. So the comma doesn't mean anything. It's just saying, right, you've done the x bit now focus on the y bit. And the y bit is y1, which I've got is 9, plus y2, which is 11. Okay, and it's a coordinate, so I put it in brackets, just like I do all my coordinate points. Now I've got to work it out. So, 5 plus -3, well, a plus and a minus together become a negative. So 5 take 3 is 2 divided by 2. I'll do the next step in a moment. 9 plus 11 gives me 20 over 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So my midpoint, the coordinate point between these two, is 1, 10. Alright, that's how you find the midpoint.